I've researched the most common issues reported by owners of the 2023 to 2025 Honda CRV. Number 1. Steering difficulties. Honda has issued a significant recall for over 1.7 million vehicles, including the 2023 to 2025 CRV, due to steering gearbox defects. Owners began reporting issues like excessive steering resistance and a sticky feeling in the wheel, raising serious safety concerns. The recall covers both hybrid and non-hybrid models, and Honda has acknowledged that the problem can make the vehicle difficult to control, particularly at highway speeds. While no accidents or injuries have been officially linked to this issue, the recall has left many CRV owners frustrated and concerned about their safety and the timeline for repairs. Owners have not been shy about sharing their experiences. One frustrated user on Reddit wrote,
"Just checked my VIN. My 6-week-old 25 Honda CRV Sport purchase has the steering recall listed. I can't believe this happened so soon after buying the car."
This highlights a common frustration. Even brand new vehicles are affected, and the recall process isn't always straightforward. Another owner shared their apprehension on a CRV forum.
Checked my VIN and my 23 Sport Hybrid has the steering gearbox recall. Notice said to schedule an appointment with my local dealer online, and of course, I didn't believe the dealer would have parts yet.
www.crvownersclub.com. The uncertainty around parts availability has made the recall process stressful for many. The recall involves replacing the steering gearbox or reapplying lubrication, depending on the severity of the defect. Honda has assured owners that they're working to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. However, delays in parts and service appointments have left some drivers feeling neglected. For CRV owners, the best course of action is to immediately check their VIN on Honda's recall website or through the NHTSA to confirm if their vehicle is affected. If it is, schedule a repair as soon as possible to ensure your safety on the road. Number 2. Fuel pump cracks and leaks. Honda has issued a recall affecting over 720,000 vehicles, including the 2023-2025 CRV hybrid models, due to concerns that the high-pressure fuel pump may develop cracks, leading to potential fuel leaks and an increased risk of fire. AppNews.com. One frustrated owner reported their experience on Reddit, saying,
"I noticed a strong fuel smell when I parked the car in my garage. It turns out the fuel pump was leaking, and my dealer confirmed it was part of the recall."
Another owner expressed their frustration on Facebook, stating,
"Done my recall, but sad to say they just inspect. I thought they would replace the part."
Honda has acknowledged receiving 145 warranty claims related to this defect between February 2023 and September 2024, but reports no injuries or deaths associated with the issue. The company has committed to inspecting and, if necessary, replacing the high-pressure fuel pumps free of charge. Notification letters to affected owners are expected to be mailed starting December 4th, 2024. For CRV hybrid owners, it's crucial to remain vigilant. If you notice a fuel smell while idling or driving, or observe any signs of fuel leakage, contact your local Honda dealership. Number 3. Fuel injector failures. Fuel injector failures have emerged as a significant concern for 2023-2025 Honda CRV owners, particularly those with hybrid models. Drivers have reported sudden power losses and unexpected vehicle shutdowns, posing serious safety risks. One owner recounted a harrowing experience.
Unfortunately, my 2025 CRV hybrid had bad fuel injectors. 2 days after leasing it 140 miles in, it went from 70 to 40 in 30 seconds on a major highway.
Reddit.com. Another driver shared on Facebook.
"We bought a 2024 CRV hybrid touring 1 year ago. 11,500 miles later, bad fuel injectors caused lots of warning lights to appear."
These incidents highlight the severity of the issue, with vehicles experiencing rapid deceleration and multiple system warnings. Owners have expressed frustration over the recurrence of this problem and concerns about the effectiveness of current repairs. As of now, Honda has not issued a formal recall for this issue, but service bulletins have been released to guide dealerships on how to address it. Number 4. The backup camera. Many 2023-2025 Honda CRV owners have reported issues with the backup camera, noting problems such as flickering, black and white displays, and overall poor image quality. These issues can hinder visibility and compromise safety during reversing maneuvers, which is a significant concern for many drivers, especially when parking or backing out of tight spots. One owner shared their frustration on Reddit.
"My 2024 Honda CRV X has the same black and white image. Dealer already changed the camera once, which didn't resolve the complaint.
This comment highlights a recurring issue with the CRV's backup camera, where even after an initial attempt to fix it, the problem persists, leaving the owner dissatisfied. Another user also expressed dissatisfaction.
I had the same issue with my 2023 CRV hybrid. The backup camera would go from color to black and white every time I shifted into reverse, and the dealer couldn't fix it either.
Reddit.com. This shows that the issue is not isolated to one particular model year and seems to affect a wide range of owners, further demonstrating the persistent nature of the problem. Number 5. The navigation system. Many 2023-2025 Honda CRV owners have reported issues with the navigation system, including problems such as inaccurate mapping, unresponsive touchscreens, and connectivity issues. These problems can significantly impact the driving experience, especially when relying on the system for directions and traffic updates. One owner shared their frustration.
A week-old new Honda CRV 2025 Touring, the Honda navigation is working very poorly. The map and cursor, pointer, as well as the map, are not pointing in the forward-upwards direction where the car is heading. They point downward, or to the left or right.
w.crvownersclub.com. Another Facebook user expressed dissatisfaction with the system's performance.
I just purchased a 2025 CRV Hybrid Sport Touring and I'm struggling with navigation, hoping someone can give me guidance.
These issues can be particularly concerning for drivers who rely on the navigation system for daily commuting or long-distance travel. The problems reported include the map not aligning with the vehicle's actual direction, unresponsive touchscreens, and difficulties connecting to smartphones or other devices. As of now, Honda has not issued a formal recall or service bulletin specifically addressing these navigation system issues. In the meantime, some owners have found that restarting the vehicle or performing a system reset can temporarily alleviate certain issues. However, these are not permanent solutions, and it's important to have the system inspected by a professional to ensure it functions correctly. If you own a 2023-2025 Honda CRV, have you run into any of the issues we talked about in this video? Whether it's transmission hesitation, backup camera problems, or anything else, I'd love to hear about your experience. It's always helpful to know if other owners are dealing with the same concerns or if it's a more isolated problem. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on common car issues, reviews, and tips. Your support helps the channel grow, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.